It's easy to run the test harness and mock application locally. Let's take a look. You'll need to install Docker on your system. We run the test harness in one Docker container, the mock system under test in another, and InfluxDB in a couple of additional containers. Then, you'll need to download our release tarball, which includes Linux binaries and the Docker container definitions. Once you untar the release, change into the directory. Now you'll need to build our containers. If you're behind a proxy, you'll want to add our proxy file after editing the contents of the YAML file to refer to your own proxy settings. For more details, see our README, where you'll also find all the commands that we use in this video. Now, execute the build command from the terminal inside of the untar directory. Once the containers are built, you can run the test harness and system using the docker compose up command. Refer to our README for detailed instructions. After you issue the docker compose up command, open localhost port 9870 in your browser. This will let you view our test dashboard and watch the mock application plot the robot trajectory. You can also navigate to localhost 8888 to view and edit Influx database dashboards. Here, we're opening up the Data Explorer to inspect a few values. To terminate the harness system under test in InfluxDB, Control-C in the terminal, and then use the docker compose down command. It's easy to rerun the test scenario with different parameters. Here, we're editing the parameter YAML file to set an initial battery charge of 12%, a starting temperature of 170 degrees, and then we schedule 10 perturbations. Now, when we rerun the mock application, the effects of our edited parameters can be seen in the logs. For instance, here the motor overheats after a couple of perturbations. Our mock application is located in the Python folder of our repository. We hope that it provides a convenient example of how to integrate with the Phase 2 test harness. If you make changes to our mock application, you can also run the system under test without using Docker. Again, see our README for details. Thanks for watching. We're eager to receive feedback on the changes we're incorporating in Phase 2. Please file issues in our GitHub repository to ask questions or make suggestions.